Today I'm going to show you how we can run and set up a Sonos Connect amp for a 5,000 square feet house. So this is actually unboxing main part of the Sonos Connect amp. This is back side. It's a very nice quality of, here the back side is connectors for output, power, and then woofer, and then HDMI. I installed and set up the other three Sonos Connect amp for run. We have actually 23 ceiling speakers. Inside the box, actually, we have two connectors for audio output, left or right, and regular power cable. So here is our wires, common speaker ceilings. I already connected last Zoom. We have 5 speakers. I joined them actually, 2 in the left and 3 in the right. It's basically better to run up to 4 speakers for each Connect amp, but here I'm going to connect it to 5 speaker ceilings. Here's already connected. Green and white is for left channel, and red and black is for right channels. Totally we have 5 speakers. So already placed and inside the rack and connected to power. It's blinking before finished Sonos app. So here we go. I connected to all the speakers in the 4 zones. When it's green blinking, it means it's yet connected to wireless. Here is this Sonos app. It takes a few minutes to realize network, and actually cell phone is between Sonos app and the wireless. It takes a few minutes to finish. If you guys are familiar with this nice application, you can do it yourself. It's not a big deal. Just it takes a few minutes to add each Sonos Connect amp to the network. Each devices, I think, is economic system for multi-zone audio systems. If you have a medium or it's a down, you can see this. Continue. It's a better system. I think it's one of the best in the market. It's economic. Each device is roughly $700 or maybe $800. Here already, if you can see, already each floor in the different zone. In the 2nd floor, we have 2 zones, 3 bedrooms, the separate zones, and master bedroom, ensuite, and game room. It's a different zone. So here we can change the volume in the master volume for all 3 floors. Now it's solid white lighting, doesn't blinking. Here we can hearing. Here we are in the basement. This is a ceiling speakers. 1st zone in the basement. We have a family room and gym, and I think we have a 1 bedroom in this floor. Totally we have 6 speakers. So here we are in a master bedroom now. The speaker we are here, plus 1 single speaker in a master ensuite. You can change the volume separately. Actually we have a separate zone. You can change the volume one by one or totally. See, if you choose all of them, you can play with a single source to everywhere, or we can can pause, play, and here we are volume for each floor. And actually we can play different source for each zone. Doesn't matter how many zone you have in every floor, 1, 2, or 3. The owner actually in this house requested to just he needs three floor in a 4 zone. And this is the 2nd bedroom. See, you can hear the good quality from the speaker ceiling. Personally, I like the quality of this kind of the speakers. There's a 2 ways, a mid-range and there's a tweeter inside the speaker. This is 3rd bedroom. Here's a game in the corner. We have 1 pair speaker here. It's included, already joined to master bedroom and master ensuite. Here's a separate zone. There's a 4th zone connected already to the last Sonos Connect amp. I put it inside the rack and I showed you. So here's the other bedroom. So if there is any question, please put your comment below the video. And yeah, here's the last bedroom. And please, if you like the video, you can subscribe and follow us for the new video. Actually, we are focused on the GTA in the Toronto. If you like the video, please subscribe it and share it to your friends. We are a home automation company in Toronto. Please check our website for any orders for home theater and Sonos audio systems. Thank you for watching.